morning everyone, and for today's eye look we are doing the first impression of the Sunset Skis Shadow Sense collection. So it came with new three different colors. So as a collection, when you buy, you get all three shades, and also you get the bag free. So but anytime you can always get them separately. So it came with three different shades. One is two pink shades and one glitter shades. I have swatched them here. So it had rust, which is like a red orange matte shade, and then comes pink berry, which is like a pink what is it, like pink matte shade, I would say. Then the twilight shimmer, which has pink and red glitter to it. It's little bit sheer, so anytime when you have a sheer what is it, like sheer glittery shade, you can do on top of any shades to give that extra glitter to it. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to do a look that I saw with my inspiration. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's start with pink berry first. We're going to do a pink berry in the crease and also on the lower lashes. So I'm going to keep it there and just blend out using a fluffy brush. If you are a matte shade lover, then this is a perfect shade for you, because it blends so well, and the consistency is similar to Americano. I think on my last Friday look, I have already used rust. I think on that day I used rust in my crease. Here I am going to use rust as an all over shade and pink berry as my crease shade, and also on my lower lids. So anytime when you want to increase the color, just layer it instead of going it all at once. So here I have done one layer, and I am going ahead with the second layer to deepen the color. So with the Shadow Sense, instead of going all at once, it becomes easy when you can do small portions at once. That way it doesn't feel what is it, like cakey or so much streakiness, because if you do too much on one time, you cannot blend it like clean with the brush actually. Since Shadow Sense is cream to powder, if you give it few seconds, you can blend it really well, and also it is going to stay all day, and it has anti-aging benefits towards. So why not use a shadow that has anti-aging benefits, because the eyes are the place where you are going to have what is it, like the crow feet, or your lids will start showing the wrinkles. So I'm taking a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out the corners. That way I don't have any harsh lines. So always make sure to take time to blend out the edges, then your whole eye look will look really smooth. I'm going to take my favorite Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to run it on my lower lashes too. The next one is obviously we are going to do the rust, and we are going to do it as an all over shade. So I'm just going to pack it all over my lid, and I'll just blend out where it going to meet pink berry. So this is such a easy look. It's going to be what is it, like so quick to put together, and just you're going to add a highlight. That's all it takes. So, and being a matte shade, it's going to blend like a dream. So when you do Shadow Sense, always give it like a few seconds for it to set, and just press the color. That way you get the pigments really well. And we are going to take another clean brush and just blend out where the rust and pink berry meets. I have taken a clean brush and just blend out these corners, and you can actually use the one we have used the pink berry to, and just that way you don't have any harsh edges where the two shades meet, and you want them to look as if they are one and blended well. So that's your aim. So just use a very light finger, because if you keep it harsh, then you will take away all the color which you don't want to. You want them just blend, at the same time you want the color to show up. So you can see when they have a collection, that means those two colors will go really well. And I think rust will be like a very pretty fall shade. If you are already have like garnet, rustic brown, or anything closer to that in the brown, like americano, cinnamon shimmer, copper rose shimmer, with any of those it will go really well. Like, I mean, rust with onyx will look great, rust with rustic brown will look great. Or if you need a shimmer, you can add a copper rose shimmer on top of that and you can finish the look. And rust can be your perfect bronzing shade too. Like, I mean, you can use it as a blush or bronzer. If you go on a light hand, this color will look really well with any of like brown lips or burgundy lips too. So there are always plenty of ways to use the same product when it comes to SeneGence. So I'm going to take the same brush I used for my lower lids, and I'm going to touch a bit, and I'm going to run it along my lower lids too. So almost your look is already complete. You are just going to add that twilight shimmer, and it's like a less than 2 minutes eye look, I would say. So the last step is just to add that violet shimmer in the inner corner. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit and add it to that. That always adds like a, what is it, like to make the eye pop little more and the concentration to come to the eyes. You don't need a lot, you just need a tiny bit, and just pop it in the corner. You can also use it under your brow bone for the same highlight. So it's such a quick look, it doesn't need much time. Can you see the highlight it gives? Actually, you can use it as your highlighter too anytime, because since it has just a tiny bit of glitter to it, you can add this as your highlighter anytime. Let me finish it with an eyeliner and mascara and show you the finished look. So I did finish it with the mascara and also my lip look. So this is the final look for the Sunset Skis collection. So it came with the rust, the pinkberry, the rust and the pinkberry and the twilight shimmer. So if you are interested, you can buy it as a collection, and also you can buy it individually. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.